Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin and Ethereum are on an absolute tear as Ethereum has already broken through all-time highs and Bitcoin is quickly approaching new all-time highs. In today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at why one expert thinks we're going to see a couple crashes in the next 6 months, plus why this is probably the most important chart for Bitcoin, why Litecoin could be headed to $1,000, and how to become the next SHIBA millionaire. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum potentially breaking through previous all-time highs. It's already happened for ETH, could potentially happen for Bitcoin in the next few hours. Where these are going, and a lot that's going on behind the scenes, including we're going to be taking a look at Litecoin, at SHIBA, and at some upcoming altcoins. Now, before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love, where every week we give away one of these sweet shirts. Also, today's episode is sponsored by Deepcoin, so stay tuned until the end for a review and to find out how to be entered in an airdrop for $150 of their token and up to $5,000 of Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin today, $65,367. ETH, $4,719. ETH already new time high. Bitcoin quickly approaching previous all-time highs. If we take a look here, we can see, I don't know about you guys, but I'm seeing a big old cup right there and a teeny little handle so that you can hold your pinky nice and high in the sky while you sip it and drink your Bitcoin tea. Now, we could likely see Bitcoin price breaking through this trend, previous all-time highs. Now, this line right here isn't the all-time high. This is the top trend line right there. The all-time high is a little bit lower, just a hair, a smidge. But as Bitcoin is doing that, we also have to note that down below, it is approaching overbought regions in the RSI. And historically, we tend to see kind of downtrends in the RSI until it breaks through. So we might also be seeing kind of, well, a little rejection as Bitcoin price could come down. We're going to have to see over the next few hours. But Raoul Pal is saying he's expecting a couple crashes in the next few months. He says expect the path of pain around December. The upcoming release of ETH 2.0 and the ETH ETF will extend the crypto market cycle. So his guess, he says, according to Raoul Pal, Bitcoin and ETH and altcoin markets are likely to take the path of most pain, potentially crashing twice over the next 6 months. He says, my guess is that we will likely have a sell-off and then it rips again because that's the path of most pain and markets tend to take the path of most pain. So basically, on the way up, we're going to be shaking out all the leveraged traders and all the weak hands as the price continues to go up. Because what we have coming in is institutions tend to make asset allocations decisions by quarters, and his guess is that January to March quarter next year, we're going to see a huge inflow. It's all coming next year, because if we actually take a look at what's going on chain, guys, if we take, this is the Bitcoin exchange net position change for all exchanges. We can see this red. In the past 4 months, just over 200,000 Bitcoin have been moved off of exchanges, the equivalent of roughly $12.5 billion at current prices. This is another regime of outflows illustrating a broader shift in the dynamics for the Bitcoin market after March 2020. So people are taking Bitcoin off of exchanges. They're hodling it. We haven't seen this impact the price just yet. Bitcoin price has been going sideways. Right now we're coming up against previous all-time highs. Likely after that, we're going to see the price rip, because the last time we saw such sustained duration of Bitcoin coming off exchanges was back in the end of 2016, back when Bitcoin was $600 before it went to $20,000. So that could potentially be huge. And also for another coin that aimed to be like the silver to Bitcoin's gold, Litecoin about to have a parabolic rally up to $1,000 based on this chart here by Trading Shot. So he's saying that we have all-time highs. We kind of have a little double bottom with a pre-rally lower highs, and then it breaks through, bounces back down off of the all-time high before it breaks through. Same thing happened back here in 2015, 2016. And it should be noted that Litecoin is an oscillator, similar to how Dogecoin is an oscillator, which is exactly how I predicted Dogecoin's pump. Litecoin is a coin that is due for a large pump, so we could potentially be seeing that happening, and the RSI is pretty much following suit as well. If it were to fulfill this, we would see roughly a 5x in Litecoin's price. But That's not what people are interested in, because people are interested in dog meme coins. They're like, I love money and I love dogs. Can I make my dog money? Yes, you can with dog meme coins. Now, this story just dropped today. Next generation of crypto millionaires. SHIB allows warehouse manager to retire. So basically, he used to make $68,000 a year. He invested $8,000 into Shiba Inu when the price was roughly this low, giving him 800 billion tokens. Then in May, when the price surged, he took out an equivalent a part of his holdings equal to $500,000. Now he has roughly 1 million of Shiba token plus 500,000 in his bank account. He's a millionaire from Shiba. Now, all of you who are crying yourself to sleep because of that, well, first thing is, celebrate him. Good for him. I mean, that's freaking awesome. Second thing, you'll notice what he did. He didn't buy Shiba token when everybody else was buying it. He bought it way before. So if you want to become a Shiba millionaire, you'd probably have to buy $1 million of Shiba. But you can become the next meme coin millionaire. And this is how you do it, guys. Using token metrics. I love this thing because they added categories in token metrics 2.0. So you can take a look at the meme coins and find out which ones are the most undervalued on a long time scale and then stock up on those coins. So if you haven't checked out token metrics, there is a link down in the pinned comment. But if we take a look at meme tokens, to do this, we go to insights, we go to ratings, we go to meme tokens, and monthly. These are the most undervalued meme tokens. Now, chances are meme tokens will be around for a while, so if you want to get some, these will be ones to take a look at. Ranking the highest, Floki Inu. I made a video about that. You could watch that. We also have Bananao, Spell Token, Yushi, Shiba, Poly Doge, Australian Safe Shepherd, Cat Token, Safe Moon Inu, Corgi Coin, Akita Inu, Baby Doge, Samoyed Coin, Cake Monster. So all of these are coins worthwhile to take a look at. You can do research on your own by checking out token metrics. Further than that, guys, it should be noted that there was this article in Cointelegraph that green means go, 5 spectator altcoin rallies with one thing in common. If we take a look at that, over the past week, we saw Polygon, we saw Aave, we saw Voyager, we saw Koinos, we saw Linear, all go up significantly. Now, all of these coins had one pulsing green indicator before they all went up, and that green indicator is the Vortex Score signaling above a 90. Now, if we take a look today on Cointelegraph's Markets Pro, you could check it out for yourself, link down in the pinned comment. Right now, XYO Network is scoring a 93. Now, XYO Network has not been this high on the Vortex Score, but the price is coming down. So potentially, it could be signaling, because if we take a look at those previous assets, Coin went up 100% after a peak score. Peak score down here, price went up 100%. Matic went up 35% after this peak score. Peak score right down here, boom, price went up. Aave, 11% after peak score. Peak score right down here, price went up. Lena, same thing. VGX, same thing. Well, right now on XYO Network, we are likely seeing a peak score. The price could very well go up. Now, XYO Network, if you don't know about it, is the geospatial Oracle network. Geospatial blockchain for all offers resources to educate individuals, developers, and enterprises. So they're open source with partnerships, implementation, education, solving real world problems. You can take part in their coin app, staking, all of that stuff. But this you can find out by using Cointelegraph Markets Pro. Which brings us to the end of today's episode, but the part that many of you have been waiting for, because in this sponsored part from Deepcoin, you could find out how to participate in their airdrop, get $150 of their token, and up to $5,000 of Bitcoin. Now, that being said, this is sponsored, so clearly do your own due diligence. I'm not endorsing the project, I'm just presenting it to you, and then you can make up your own mind. So, welcome to Deepcoin. Now, Deepcoin is an exchange where you can do all types of trading, multi-terminal trading, anytime, anywhere. iOS, Android platforms, easier for mobile terminal. And you can see an example right here of what it looks like both on the desktop and on mobile. Now they say our strengths, perpetual contracts, great market depths, never crash even in extreme conditions. CFD contracts, large size, lightning speed. ICE prices, world's #1 exchange regulated by US SEC. Compartmentalized positions, multiple leverages go long and short at the same time. Financial derivatives, Miaxabao, compound interest calculated by the second deposit withdrawal anytime. Kobo custody, banking grade HSM encryption, superior security. So about us, with profound knowledge of the risk-averse nature and innovation value of digital currency and deep understanding of investors' demand for diversified asset allocation, Deepcoin is committed to providing globalized and comprehensive financial services with digital currency at the core. With professional, high-quality services, they allow their users to have more financial freedom and achieve more diversified asset allocation by providing fair, safe, and reliable investment opportunities. So, global intelligence, elites with financial background, 10 plus years in asset management, strategy partners, fund support from Bushi Capital, SNZ Holdings, Technology Corporation with ICE and Kobo Wallet, significant system performance, ultra fast and safety matching engine, friendly trading environment for beginners and pros, oversee expansion, global team management, multilingual customer support. And the partners they have here, Fenbushi Capital, SNZ, ICE, Kobo, so you can see all of those things there. Now, if we take a look at the exchange, you can see the exchange right here and a few things they wanted me to let you know about the exchange. So there's no KYC, high liquidity, and easy to use platform. Diversified asset management, Bitcoin, DeFi, meme tokens, NFTs, all of them serve there. Multiple services on one site, up to 125x leverage, staking, option trading, mining, spot, and perpetual contract trading. Now, if we take a look at the mobile app, we have quick order on chart using 0.1 seconds to capture the best price in violent markets, 100 times quicker than normal platforms. Quick entry and exit trades with one-click order on chart. Stop loss, take profit directly on chart. Catch the tops and bottoms in violent markets. Position, merge, and split mode best position management function. Customize your orders into one or multiple positions with different leverage to achieve ultimate profit gains. And flexible take profit stop loss strategies in multiply order types. Support take profit stop loss functions on selected entire positions, open conditional, and trailing stop orders. So guys, that is a bit about Deepcoin. Make sure to go check it out for yourself. If you want to participate in that airdrop, there is a link down in the pinned comment. You could go there, fill out the Google form, and then you'll be entered to take part in the airdrop. So thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll catch you later. Peace.